And as we're coming in from the left, here you have these four fantastic helicopters. The Wasp, HS Mark 1. You also have the Swordfish Mark 2. And the Black Cat, the Royal Navy Wildcat helicopter coming in as well. For us in our Taranto formation. So the Swordfish at the front, leaving the deck of HMS Illustrious in radio silence without navigation lights aboard the captain for 170 miles through the night, dropping their torpedoes across for the battlefield and rendering the Italian Navy ineffective for the rest of the war. So the attack was the first time in history that an enemy fleet has been defeated without ever fighting or engaging the opposing ships. And it was also the first successful major offensive against the Axis power in the Second World War, and was a welcome boost to British morale. The combination of the strategic use of aircraft carriers and the spirit of the fleet air arm turned the balance of power in the Mediterranean. The centuries of success for the Royal Navy dominated by battleships, but on the night of the 11th and 12th of November 1940, the courage and initiative of a small band of naval pilots flying the Swordfish biplanes marked the birth of a new era in naval warfare. In 1940, the entry of Italy into the war presented the Royal Navy in the Mediterranean with a serious threat. Most of the convoys fighting through Malta and the Navy base of Taranto. Now the original plan had been to strike Taranto on the night of the 21st of October using 36 Swordfish from HMS Illustrious and HMS Eagle, but several mishaps intervened, including a fire aboard the Illustrious and the withdrawal of the Eagle due to battle damage. The force of Swordfish torpedo bombers therefore reduced to 21, and the attack was named Operation Judgment, and it was postponed, delaying go, allowing improved reconnaissance, which 2 days before the attack confirmed that the entire Italian battleship strength were all in the Bay of Taranto. Over 2 hours flying time at only 75 knots, one aircraft came back but 20 pressed on, and the members of the aircraft were armed with torpedoes, with the remainder carrying flares and bombs. The first wave of Swordfish began their approach from the southwest, and just close to 11 o'clock, flare carriers lit up the Italian ships, signaling the torpedo bombers to begin their dives into a storm of anti-aircraft fire. Within 10 minutes, the Italian fleet had suffered massive damage, with 3 battleships all being sunk, 4 crippled, and the rest unusable. Now, I think we're going to get ready here for a beautiful photograph moment as the Swordfish, the Wildcats, and the Wasp fly in, and I think we're going to have a beautiful break. For everyone with your cameras, if you get those ready, we're hoping this is going to be a beautiful break just as they fly in.